With the holidays rapidly approaching, there is no better time to stock up on premium woodworking tools. Whether you are creating a gift or looking to fulfill a wish list for that special woodworker in your life. From innovative bandsaw accessories to precision wood-turning tools, Carter has everything to make your projects smoother, safer, and more enjoyable. Whether it's for the seasoned pro or the DIY enthusiast, our tools are designed to boost performance and deliver accuracy in every cut. This holiday season, give a gift that truly cuts above the rest. Explore our collection at carterproducts.com and get the tools you need to make every project a masterpiece. Shop today and discover why Carter Products is the trusted name for woodworking tools. Carter Products, woodworking since 1929.